Imagine stepping into a ride that costs less than your daily latte and arrives without a single human behind the wheel. This revolutionary reality just became a stunning breakthrough in Arizona, and Tesla is moving at an absolutely mind-blowing pace that's leaving everyone speechless. The real story behind this transformation is far more incredible than what you're hearing in the headlines. Tesla's groundbreaking robotaxi network isn't just growing, it's completely obliterating every expectation in the autonomous driving world. While other companies are drowning in endless bureaucratic nightmares, Elon Musk's empire is unleashing earth-shattering developments that will revolutionize transportation as we know it. What I'm about to reveal will leave you absolutely stunned and completely change how you see the future of getting around. Yesterday's announcement on July 10, 2025, created massive shockwaves that are still rippling through the entire automotive universe. Tesla officially submitted their application to Arizona's Department of Transportation, seeking certification to test and deploy their autonomous vehicle fleet throughout the Metro Phoenix region. This isn't some ordinary paperwork shuffle. This is Tesla positioning themselves to completely annihilate the competition before anyone realizes what hit them. Arizona became Tesla's target destination for explosive reasons that go way deeper than most people understand. The state has transformed into an incredible paradise for autonomous vehicle innovation, offering unbelievably supportive regulations and a welcoming environment for revolutionary technology. While California continues strangling progress with endless red tape, Arizona is rolling out the red carpet for game-changing innovations. Tesla's brilliant tactical move demonstrates they're operating on a completely different level than their competitors. The company reached out to Arizona's motor vehicle division with serious intentions to operate throughout the Phoenix metro area, anticipating a final decision before July ends. But here's where this story becomes absolutely explosive. Tesla's Arizona expansion represents just the tip of an enormous iceberg. The company has been secretly building incredible momentum through their Austin pilot program, which exploded onto the scene on June 22, 2025, delivering results that are nothing short of phenomenal. This isn't some tiny experimental project with a couple of test vehicles. Tesla unleashed their Model Y fleet across South Austin with a pricing strategy that's completely destroying the entire ride-sharing industry. The Austin launch marked Tesla's first major real-world deployment of their autonomous ride-hailing technology, and the incredible results are already making competitors panic. Every single robotaxi operates with a Tesla team member sitting in the passenger seat as a safety supervisor, guaranteeing maximum protection while showcasing the absolutely amazing capabilities of their self-driving systems. The most jaw-dropping revelation? Tesla is charging an unbelievable $4.20 per ride, a revolutionary flat rate that's completely crushing Uber and Lyft's entire business model. If you're blown away by this incredible deep dive into Tesla's amazing robotaxi revolution, hit that subscribe button right now and help Auto Intel smash through our goal of 1,000 subscribers. We're delivering the most cutting-edge automotive intelligence that you absolutely cannot find anywhere else, and your amazing support is what keeps us going strong. Tesla's aggressive domination strategy extends far beyond just Arizona. The company has developed ambitious plans to unleash their robotaxi service throughout the San Francisco Bay Area within just 2 months, waiting only for regulatory approval. This development is where things become truly electrifying. California represents one of the most brutally challenging regulatory battlegrounds in the entire nation for autonomous vehicles. The state's incredibly strict safety demands and labyrinthine approval processes have historically crushed innovation dreams. But Tesla appears supremely confident they can bulldoze through these obstacles faster than anyone imagines possible. The Bay Area deployment could become Tesla's most spectacular achievement yet. San Francisco's incredibly dense urban jungle, unpredictable weather patterns, and mind-bending traffic scenarios will subject Tesla's autonomous driving technology to the most brutal stress test imaginable. If Tesla can successfully dominate their robotaxi operations in one of America's most punishing cities, it will prove beyond doubt that their technology is ready for complete nationwide domination. Tesla's expansion timeline is absolutely breathtaking in its ambition. The company plans to explode their Austin fleet to 100 vehicles later this year and aims to launch robotaxi rides in Dallas through Uber in 2025. This massive fleet explosion demonstrates Tesla's unshakable confidence in their revolutionary technology and their relentless commitment to completely dominating the robotaxi battlefield before competitors can even get started. The vehicle technology powering Tesla's robotaxi revolution is where science fiction becomes stunning reality. While the current Austin program deploys modified Model Y vehicles, Tesla's ultimate vision revolves around their absolutely revolutionary cybercab design. This isn't your grandfather's automobile, The Cybercab features only 2 seats, absolutely no steering wheel and 0 pedals. It's a complete reinvention of what transportation can become. Recent mysterious sightings at Tesla's Giga Texas manufacturing facility strongly suggest that trial production of the Cybercab is already happening behind closed doors. Industry insiders report spotting these enigmatic vehicles undergoing testing on Tesla's private testing grounds, indicating that full deployment could materialize much sooner than anyone dares to imagine. The Cybercab represents Tesla's ultimate gamble on a future where human drivers become completely extinct. Tesla's approach to autonomous driving technology creates an enormous separation between them and every other company desperately trying to compete. The company primarily depends on camera-based systems and advanced computer vision to navigate their vehicles rather than copying Waymo's expensive hardware approach. This revolutionary strategy enables Tesla to manufacture autonomous vehicles at dramatically lower costs while achieving superior performance in challenging real-world environments. The regulatory implications of Tesla's no-manual controls philosophy are absolutely staggering. Traditional automotive safety regulations were built assuming human drivers would always maintain the ability to seize control of their vehicles. Tesla's Cybercab completely eliminates this possibility, forcing regulators to create entirely revolutionary frameworks for autonomous vehicle safety. This regulatory disruption could hand Tesla a massive first-mover advantage while other companies struggle desperately to adapt. Tesla's multi-state expansion strategy represents pure genius in action. Instead of limiting themselves to just one market, the company is simultaneously pursuing explosive opportunities across Texas, Arizona, and California. This approach enables Tesla to rapidly scale their operations while minimizing regulatory risks. If one state creates roadblocks, Tesla can immediately pivot resources to markets offering more favorable conditions. The potential devastation to established ride-sharing companies is absolutely enormous. Uber and Lyft have constructed their entire business empires around human drivers, but Tesla's Robotaxi service threatens to make that approach completely obsolete overnight. With dramatically lower operating costs and 0 driver wages to pay, Tesla can offer rides at prices that traditional ride-sharing companies simply cannot survive. Make sure to subscribe to Auto Intel if you haven't already. We're racing toward 1,000 subscribers and we absolutely need your incredible support to reach that milestone. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest coverage of Tesla's mind-blowing innovations. Tesla's Robotaxi revolution stretches far beyond simple ride-sharing services. The company's autonomous vehicle technology could completely transform public transportation systems, delivery networks, and even personal vehicle ownership concepts. Envision a world where most people never need to own cars because autonomous robot access are constantly available at incredibly affordable prices. The safety implications of Tesla's revolutionary approach are generating fierce debates among industry experts worldwide. Supporters passionately argue that computer-controlled vehicles will eliminate human error, which causes the overwhelming majority of traffic accidents. Critics express serious concerns about the reliability of camera-only systems and the challenges of operating vehicles without any manual override capabilities. Recent incidents in Austin have already attracted the attention of federal regulators. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration contacted Tesla after social media videos showed robot access driving in what some observers characterized as chaotic conditions. These early challenges underscore the complex technical and regulatory obstacles that Tesla must overcome to achieve widespread deployment success. Tesla's pricing strategy could completely revolutionize transportation economics across the globe. At just over $4 per ride, Tesla's Robotaxi service costs less than most public transportation options while delivering door-to-door convenience. This pricing model could make car ownership obsolete for millions of people, especially in urban areas where parking costs are astronomical and traffic congestion is nightmarish. The environmental implications are equally transformative. Tesla's all-electric Robotaxi fleet produces absolutely 0 direct emissions while operating more efficiently than human-driven vehicles. The company's autonomous driving algorithms can optimize routes, reduce traffic congestion, and minimize energy consumption. This powerful combination of benefits could dramatically accelerate the transition to sustainable transportation. Tesla's expansion timeline suggests that Robotaxi services could become widely available much sooner than most people dare to imagine. While traditional automakers are still developing prototype autonomous vehicles, Tesla is already operating commercial Robotaxi services and rapidly expanding to new markets. This aggressive pace of development could give Tesla an absolutely insurmountable lead in the autonomous vehicle race. The economic disruption potential is absolutely staggering in its scope. Tesla's Robotaxi service could eliminate millions of driving jobs while creating exciting new opportunities in vehicle maintenance, fleet management, and technology development. The transition will likely be challenging for many workers, but it could also dramatically reduce transportation costs for consumers and businesses across the entire economy. Tesla's success in Arizona and Texas demonstrates that regulatory approval for autonomous vehicles is becoming increasingly achievable. As more states recognize the incredible potential benefits of self-driving technology, the regulatory landscape is shifting decisively in favor of innovation. This trend could accelerate Tesla's expansion plans and bring robotaxi services to additional markets even faster. The competition between Tesla and established robotaxi companies like Waymo is intensifying at breakneck speed. While Waymo has been testing autonomous vehicles for longer periods, Tesla's manufacturing scale and cost advantages could prove absolutely decisive. Tesla's ability to produce vehicles at massive scale gives them a significant advantage in deploying enormous robotaxi fleets. Tesla's vertical integration strategy provides another crushing competitive advantage. The company controls everything from battery production to software development, allowing them to optimize their entire system for autonomous operation. This integrated approach could prove superior to competitors who rely on partnerships with multiple suppliers and technology providers. The international implications of Tesla's robotaxi success are absolutely enormous. If Tesla can prove their technology works reliably in American cities, international markets will likely follow quickly. Tesla's global manufacturing presence and brand recognition could allow them to dominate the worldwide robotaxi market. What do you think about Tesla's absolutely incredible robotaxi expansion? Would you trust a fully autonomous vehicle with no steering wheel or pedals to transport you safely to your destination? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know if you're excited or concerned about this transportation revolution. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Intel to stay updated on all the latest developments in Tesla's remarkable journey toward autonomous driving domination. We're pushing hard to reach 1,000 subscribers, and your support is absolutely crucial to helping us continue bringing you the most comprehensive coverage of the automotive industry's biggest breakthroughs.